to eat vlog. I'm hungry. I want to have some food. Guys, the number of corn sticks that I ate. Who is that? My husband projected me to do. The last time he had a training or this seminar. So normally he would outsource and give other people to make food and all. And then there was a time he was like, "Babe, why didn't you make the food?" I think there was a challenge with one of the meals that was cooked. And then after that, why don't I just make it? So he was like, he's going to start paying me to do it. So the last time we had something, I mean, after I've given birth now, was it's a little bit more tedious. The last time we had a program, I had to do small chops like packs. Just I think just 4 items does it drink was in those packs. Yes, it's corn season. It's corn season. Mm, mm. Just 4 items in that pack. But because of the baby and sort of thing, we don't think sometimes. So my husband had to come and help us. I was telling him that he has contacted me and I'm supposed to do it on time. So this time we have some small chops packs to deliver. I want to be fast. I want to be of being energy. Energy as a I think I need one more cup. Because now that I'm realizing that I'm feeling so hungry, like I wake up feeling I don't even know how to explain it. Like I was telling Secretary already that I feel the hunger in my mouth. It's like you know how when babies are hungry, when just like hungry, just like it's like I should just wake up and just open my mouth and food to enter. It's now that I'm feeling it when he's 1 month plus a few days. In the beginning, I wasn't really feeling that hungry, but now it's like something is leaving my body. And it's at this point that I always start putting on weight. I'm already feeling it. I was sitting yesterday when I sat, I felt how my back rolled and sat with me. But the place now, I was like, I'm not seeing it. People don't always see me gaining weight, but I feel it. Then people start seeing it later. But right now, nothing can come between me and food. Yeah, there's this officially. Not even fat. Can work on the fat in the future. But now, my only concern is enough breast milk and energy to do my work and to live a normal life and not be stressed. Mm. Another day, but it was not nice. Okay, so you can. Today you can put. But that day we made the 40 packs now. So today you can put.
So you guys know that normally when I make pancakes, I always like to put it in the blender to ease the process of mixing, especially when I'm making a lot of pancake, like what I'm making today. But this day I just decided to use my wooden stick to mix. When I was mixing, Sister Tati came up with an idea. She was like, there's a tool she has been using, and I was using this because my whisk, all of them are bad. I need to buy a new one, and I just don't want to buy the ones I've had before because they always break. They are always not the best. So I want to get something that is bigger and stronger that I can use to whisk this kind of quantity. Until Tati was like, let me use this this spoon. I got a set of spoons that this one came from, the black one I'm using now, and she was explaining to me that she discovered that using it makes whatever batter you're trying to mix become very smoother. Wisdom is profitable to direct. Yeah?
So let me know, come as well.
That's good though. You have sense. Our chicken and our egg. Daniel, why are you crying now, Papa?
He's beating people.
Don't beat somebody. Don't beat somebody, then you start crying as if they are beating you. Don't cry here. I'm making. But you people should play with him now. Look at how both of you are sitting. Why can you not sit there with you people?
He's this space here. He's sitting, but he's still disturbing.
Daddy, where's your bike? Go and ride your bike. You can ride your bike inside.
He fell down on his bike.
He fell too badly.
He fell down like that.
Sure, Daddy.
He almost hit his ears.
He almost hit his ears. Where? I hope you don't put a big eye. No. It's okay, do what you're doing. Still gets baby space over. This is over the freezer. Why? So we need a bigger kitchen here or how? So you guys can see that this spoon, I think we use it mostly for spaghetti. When making spaghetti, you guys can see how it acted like a whisk. I did not want to put this batter in my blender, so we'll go ahead to use 2 frying pans to fry, because today I was telling my husband, I was telling him that he's going to come back and meet that we are done with all the 40 packs, because the last time, I don't know if I mentioned at the beginning of this video, the last time we had to make packs for one of his sessions that he had, he came back, he had to join us, he was working with us, and he was like, from the money that he has paid me for this pack, is assuming that he hired like a random person. So from the money he has paid me, I have to pay him because he joined us and he was like putting the packs together and all. So I told him, Joshua, I'm recording this audio with Joshua and he's making noise, so if you get him, just say hello. So he came back and he was like, he was helping. Then I think the day he was now asking me to do this set of packs, he was like, okay, he's going to pay me after I deliver, because madam, the last time you didn't deliver on time. It was so funny. Anyways, I really enjoyed doing this. I realized that the last time we did it, we didn't plan well. I woke up and I was doing other things, just you know, when you wake up and you're assuming that, oh, there's time. So today we are using 2 frying pans. Every section of the gas is working and all of that. A couple of days back, I shared with you guys a video where I did a gift basket. Like, I did a gift basket and I went and delivered it. I went out and I went to buy things. I'm sure some of you will be wondering, like, did you just really give birth? Oh yes, so I just gave birth. But I feel like this time, if you do not know, if you have been watching me on Journey with Judita, you know that this is my 4th time having a baby. And one of the things I promised myself throughout my pregnancy and even after I'd given birth is that I was not going to let go of myself. I find that when I give birth, like I soak myself. It's not like I'm not soaking myself in the baby face and all, I am, but then I am not just letting my side of myself go, if you get what I mean. Like, I want to still do stuff, I want to do other things. I think maybe I could wait till like I'm 3 months before I get this active, because I'm really active, you guys. That's why I've been uploading videos like 7 days a week. video just because I know myself. Like most times when I give birth, it takes me like a year, and I'll be so inconsistent. I will struggle to get back to myself again. So I think I'm trying to be, what's the word, I'm trying to be on the defense in this situation. Am I enjoying it? I'm really enjoying it, and I feel like it's kind of helping me recover fast as well. I am not sure if you are a mom and you've had babies. From when do you start getting really active? The only thing I know I need to not do is stand a lot, because I realize when I stand a lot my feet hurt. So I am going to be using chairs when I have to do anything in the kitchen, or yeah, I'm going to try to do that. But I am on my medications as usual. I don't know if I should call them medications, but calcium, folic acid, and the rest. As opposed to my other babies, when I give birth, it's like I forget myself. Like I don't want to do that. I cannot do that. If you're a new mom, if you're pregnant, please figure out like how when you give birth. And I'm not even talking about your work, I'm talking about yourself in terms of your own body. Like when you give birth, continue taking your blood medicine. It's almost like when the baby comes out of you forget yourself. Like even when people visit, right, most times, like this time around, I've had people visit me and I felt seen. I felt like they're considering mommy this time. But most times it's always the baby, like, oh, diaper, oh, wipe. But this time around, like a lot of people, I had people like bringing me fruits. In short, somebody visited me and she brought me some kitchen bowls, and she was like, my partner, if you watch this video, she was like, I don't know whether this one is for housewarming or is to see baby or what. But I really appreciate when people visit new moms and they consider the new moms as well. Like, take these fruits, eat and have energy. Yeah, so Zoe was wiping the table for us to put the packs and then start filling them up. We're so on time. Like my husband was not on time. He was the one that was delaying. You know how people say I don't ready for birthday and a birthday delay. We were ready. He's the one that was delaying to come and pick up his packs. Anyways, I'm just grateful for all the help that I have. I'm grateful that I'm able to do the things that I really want to do. I love creating content. I love making videos, and it just gives me joy when I do that. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you guys on my next one. Watch my vlogs, my recipes. It means a lot to me. It goes a long way. I will see you guys on the next one. This fish roll tastes heavenly, you guys. We always order fish rolls. We have one person that we order our fish rolls from, and her fish rolls are good. I don't even bother trying to make it because I already have a plug where I can have like yummy fish rolls. Anyways, we finished the work for today. See you guys on the next video. Expect more amazing content from this new mom. I'm doing well. I'm doing amazing. Thank God for good health, for help, for strength. Okay, and thank God for you guys who are watching my videos as I keep making them. I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.